Hello, my name's Emma, and for today's craft we're going to make an unidentified flying object. That's a UFO for short. You will need a pencil, some paper, anything to decorate your UFO with. I'm going with felt tip pens, some string or ribbon, some paper plates, some sticky tape, a paper or plastic cup, some scissors, tin foil and cling film. Now we're going to cover the body of our UFO. Now if you've got paints you could do that, but I don't. So I'm going to use tin foil to wrap around to give us our silver metal effect. Again, make sure if you're using tin foil, it's completely secure, and then you'll have the starts of your UFO. Now, we need to make our flight deck so our little alien can drive their UFO. So, I'm going to take a paper cut, wrap it in tin foil, and then I'm going to get my responsible adult to cut out a little hole so that the alien can see. But to save time and speed this up, here's one I did earlier. So it's been wrapped up in its tin foil. I just need my responsible adult now to cut out a hole. Now we need to draw our pilot so that we can put him into our flight deck. Now if you want some inspiration, we've got some other videos up on our National Space Centre channel, from Claire showing you how to make aliens with potatoes and Tom showing you how to paint some aliens. Now I watched those videos and I came up with my very own alien. This is Pilot Squawkle, and he is going to be cut out by my responsible adult and put into my flight deck. Once you've drawn your alien, you need to stick them in place. Now, as we were trying to stick ours, we realised the paper was a little bit too flimsy. So I found a lollipop stick and just used that to help. But if you don't have that, you can find anything that's a bit more sturdier. Get an adult to help you and they'll be able to find you something. And I also realised Pilot Squawkle was a bit too tall with his hat on, so I chopped his hat off and had to get my responsible adult to make my flight deck a little bit bigger so he would fit in. But once you've done that, you'll pop that on and then we'll stick the flight deck in place and we're almost ready to fly our UFO. Now, if you have the plastic cup, you're just going to stick that straight over and your pilot will be completely airtight and safe. However, my pilot has a hole here so he can see. So I'm going to use some cling film to make his window. There we go, one safe UFO pilot. Now, all that's left to do is to cut a bit of string or your ribbon and stick it to the top so we can fly our UFO. And there we go, our flying UFO. I hope you enjoy making your UFOs too. Please send photos to our social medias at the National Space Centre so Pilot Squawkle has some friends. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye!